have to understand, say, a catch is a catch. So we can go up now and feel good. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here up at Hellshire. We're going to see if we can do a little fishing. But just before we do that, please to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. So this is actually my first time fishing, so you know, so I have to go catch something before I go home. If not, I now go back home and see it. But when you will see everything go. So we're there with Kirk and Amara.
Yeah, we're there. We have a fishing rod already.
Yeah, man, the rod them ready.
And we done.
The shrimp them ready.
We have the shrimp, you know.
Yeah, man, so we have to catch something today.
Today's gonna be a beautiful day, so right you know, we're gonna just do a thing and don't worry about it. Watch it come.
Alright, wanna hear that? I carry one to fish them today, man. Alright, so we find a one spot that we are go try do a thing. So make we just line up ourselves and see what we can get us on.
Small pieces. I'm just going to use those. And we're in Jamaica. We're shrimp. We spent like $1,500. Yeah, $1,500.
Yeah, $1,500 a pound.
$1,500 a pound.
Yeah.
For shrimp. So I'm using a big hook anyway today. I should be using a small one like Brian. You want to hold the camera for Brian? Let him bait up and stuff.
Better I'm go to one side, you know, because this I go blind him. You go so.
We have a little rough water this morning. We have another spot on the corner we can do that sometime. Yeah. So we're going to try it. Alright, yes. So, alright, so, yeah.
Let me see a fish or a fish.
Well, today we're going to try to see what we catch. Alright, I feel a pick already. I feel a pick. I think I lost that one. Possible. Alright.
Boy!
I already feel one pick. Alright. Alright, so you got to pick it. Alright, so this one. Put up the base.
Fish them bite off a shrimp.
Them there, but I might have to go and change my hook. My hook is too big. That one is as good as you have. So Brian, so when you hold it like this, you put your thumb right there. Back up, Mallory. Back up so you can touch it. So hold one hand. Okay, hold one hand like this. Press it back there. And push forward. Go left and we get it tight up there. Turn your body that way. So once you have it like that, right? All you're gonna do is back a little bit, and when you go forward, you release that finger. So back and release the finger, and it's gone. Okay? So we're gonna go back and try to wind up. By starting, this is my first fish in Jamaica. Alright, so I start off with this one, and now I'm going for something much big and better. Now it's Brian time. Come on, Brian. Well, I start off like this, so now we're going for something big and better to take home.
Still out here. Still out here.
That was good. So, alright, we're going to throw this one back, and then we're going to start again. Alright? Good.
Prick you, because these things are very dangerous. That's what he used to protect himself. And these, if they prick you, then it's gonna hurt for a while.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like to.
To catch them, they go crazy cutting them and stuff off. So you cut them and
You just cut them and throw them back.
Yeah.
Just hold him so he doesn't spike you. So you see?
that's why he's trying to protect himself. So we're gonna let him back out.
Well, bye bye fishy. This one's going back, guys.
Alright?
Have a little shot.
Hey.
I'm in luck today. Alright guys, so we're fishing right kind of free, the real. So we're gonna get a buckle, you see? First show, first catch, but also it's smaller. But I have to understand, say, a catch is a catch. So we can go up now and feel good. Holy bucket is almost still gets up. See that guys, me feel good about this, you know. I feel good about this, man. It's small, but it's an accomplishment. Yeah, man, this is an accomplishment, you know. Yeah.
Perfect. So Brian caught a bait, and he caught a real nice one too. So we're gonna try with a small hook. We're gonna put it right here in the tail. Okay. So we might catch a big fish, and we might lose it because we don't have the right size. You know, he's alive.
So we're going to use that bad boy for a bait, is it? Uh-huh. Alright guys, so there's our bait. I'm gonna send him out with the big fish them. See if we can get something real. Probably we're not gonna see that because the sun over that side, but we're just gonna leave him. And when something start going on, we tell him, right? Alright guys, so as you can see, we never really get a big fish today, but we still catch 2 fish a see. Like I say, a catch is a catch, and every day you can go out there and get a igloo full of fish, but at the same time if you're not try, you will never know. So we're out of a couple of hours now, so we'll just call it a day until the next time. So we're just going to eat some food and take a little bite, and then we head home. So I can see what I'm going.
Yeah man, you done.
Yeah man, the fish and the festival live. So even though we never catch none, we buy some.
No, but you can do no. We can take the hook.
Yeah man,
we can one of the fish them, come out the fishing out there.
Yeah man, so
can't tell me that now we catch them.
Yeah man, a fried fish we catch, you see it. So
really
we catch
fish.
Yeah man, we catch 3 big fish and make them fry them up for it. Yeah man,
so we get some festival and you don't know so things set up now.
Yeah
so
man.
next time, you know what I say, we're there again.
Yeah man, you just have to understand as us live. Things not go according to plan all the time.
Sure.
But you still enjoy the moment, enjoy the time, enjoy life. So we're going to mash up the food here.
Yep.
And then we link back on your come and see it.
Yeah man.
So that's take it easy.
That's right.
See Amara there, she not catch one thing all I know.
Like and subscribe, you know. Subscribe to the thing.
Subscribe
to the thing. On the camera, I'm there in Miami. I say Jamaica, I say, yeah. Subscribe.
Make sure you press the button there. Hit the post notification bell.
And leave a comment.
Amara said to leave a comment.
Yeah man.
Don't make it next time we go fishing and I miss it. And check out our other videos on the channel. You might find something that interests you. And we are thinking about a little Christmas special Christmas Eve. So keep posted and we make you know that goes in. So we link you back in a bit. Yeah man, the festival is nice man. Fish hot and ready. And every little Caesars can sell hot and ready fish instead of hot and ready pizza. Waiting. Yeah, we see it now. Sun bunny up.
For real.
Yeah guys, so your food nice, you're going to enjoy them, get a one drink. I tell you, then again, I not tell you taste, you have to go check out some fish place for yourself.
Yeah.
That's how it go.
Hellshire with that.
Yeah man, you can check out Hellshire, you don't know, you just find a spot, enjoy yourself. See people them out there start swimming if you can't see them there? Yeah. Not really like a seawater still, but for them thing that. So the evidence there. Now if I say nothing else. The fish that soon gone back in the water, see it? Camera play with it. But yeah. I never tell you how it tastes because I'm supposed to know. Hold on, piece left. See that piece there? I mash it up, I soon come back. See it there? That gets shelled down. And the fish is still alive. So I'll show you upside down video. Yes guys, so we are going home now. When I carry home my fish because we just shell down the fish in my place, as you can see. Whenever we catch them still, but you want to catch to throw them back in the sea because them it's small. And guys, if you want to see now video in this when it looks alright here, Amara did up the phone and record. I get to me I say. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Remember to like, remember to subscribe to the channel, and remember to share our videos. So until next time guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.